Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Okay, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make egg soap. So here, before you start your soaping, you need to take your safety precautions very seriously. So you need your gloves, you need your face mask, and then your goggle. Okay, let's start soaping. So let's see what eggs does for our face. Eggs firms the skin, it tightens the pores, it removes excess oil, it tones the skin as well, and it nourishes the skin. It will clear off wrinkles and fine lines. So what we're going to call this soap is anti-aging soap. Well, so let's get soaping. In here I've got my oils and butters here. I've got milk. This is called milk, and my eggs, and also my lye solution. So today I'm in a hurry. I am trying to do a different type of adding a milk into our soap instead of freezing it in the fridge and then mix it with our lye solution, our sodium hydroxide. I am going to use it like that. So what I did was I substitute some of the water into milk as usual and use a small amount of water to mix my sodium hydroxide. The same way with the eggs, the amount of water that I'm supposed to use for the soap, I deducted the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs, which amount to 100 grams, and I subtracted it from my water. Okay, so let's get soaping. When you are doing this soap, you can omit the milk, but I decided to use milk as well as the egg to get all the benefit of egg as well, since it's anti-aging, hydrating, nourishing kind of soap. Okay, so I'm going to put my egg into my milk and blend it. If you're not using milk, you can just take some of the oil and blend with your eggs, or you can put it straight into your oil, only if your oil is not too hot. So to be on the safer side, just get your cold, if you are using olive oil or whichever carrier oil is liquid, you just subtract some. You just have to put small and blend with your eggs. So I'm going to blend the eggs with my milk. We know eggs has lecithin in it, which is a natural emulsifier. So I'm going to just blend the egg with the milk. Okay, so now our milk and the egg is blended nicely. I need to check my temperature again. Yeah, it's fine. So now I'm going to put my blended egg and milk into my oils. And blend again. So you can see that the egg looks like it hasn't blended very well. So you need to blend it so that it emulsifies. So now it's blended nicely. Can you see the color is, it looks like a condensed milk. Okay, so this is it. So now I'm going to add the lye solution into it. So I'm going to blend it a bit. So you see, when the way I did the milk and the egg, my soap mixture hasn't burned. The more reason why we do the ice cubes, so that the milk will not burn. So you can do it this way, which is quicker, because I don't have to put it in ice cube thing and freeze it for a day before I can soap. So this way you can just go straight ahead and do your soap. Yeah, so this way you can go ahead and do your soap without freezing your milk. So at this moment I'm going to add in my this is our soap. I think I've lost some of the video when I was trying and to put the soap into the mold, because the soap got so traced so quickly. I needed to work fast. I don't know what happened to the camera, but anyways, this is how our soap look like. It's not runny, it's very thick, got hard quickly. So I advise that if you are going to do this soap, egg soap, make sure that you work really fast, extremely fast, so that it doesn't go hard on you. Okay, so this is our soap. I have in here a orange color. I thought I had a yellow color for the egg yolk, but this is what we got, and it was very thick. I had to do it quickly. So we'll see how it looks like after 24 hours. So yes, this is our egg soap. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together, let's learn together. Share with your friends and family. Put on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be the first to see. And also, if there is anything that you want me to do, I will gladly share with you. Thank you, and bye, and see you another time. Hello lovelies, how you all doing? Okay, we're back again to cut our egg soap, and it's been 48 hours. I actually was busy yesterday. I forgot about it. It's so hard. It got hard. The trace was so thick when we were doing it. So we're going to mold it and cut it up. Okay. So this is our egg. Remember, we used milk as part of our water, and then a color for the egg yolk. So it looks beautiful and solid. So we're going to cut it Okay. And see how it looks like. It's hard, so I need to add in more strength. Oops. Okay. So this is our egg soap. It smells nice. Yep, this is our egg soap. I will give it a name. So there you go. You can try it and comment on there. And comment below. Okay, so I'll get some water and then we try and see how it lathers. Okay, so this is part of the soap, the egg soap. We're going to try how it lathers. Okay. It feels nice. Really lathers good. So this is how our egg lathers. It really lathers well and it's very silky. Okay, thank you for watching. Share with your friends and family. Please subscribe the channel and tap on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video you will be the first to see it. And don't forget to comment at the comment section. Thank you and see you another time.